Today we'll show how to do daily round about the HVAC system from the computer. First, we choose the hotel building management system. Go to roof. So we have, this hotel, we have two, facility to check. This is for the room. From here, we can see the device run attention. So this we can say the speed is 80%. So cooling is off, heater is off. This income temperature. The second we need to check is LG Backnet. So here we can choose the hotel side. Here we input the username and password. So from this screen we can see we have 71 indoor unit is running, 83 is stopped, and 21 has some issue. So we can go inside to check everything. First floor, second floor, and the basement connected to large system. This system connected to third floor to 12th floor. So we can check one floor by floor the system information. 242 is seems communication issue. The blue one means the AC work on the cool mode. The red one means the AC work on heat mode.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.